Let's be completely honest. In most parts of the world, hurtling past medieval stone walls and sturdy oak trees at over 200 kilometers per hour gets you a mandatory psychological evaluation. On the Isle of Man, it gets you a massive trophy. If the 24 hours of Le Mans is a meticulous, sterile surgical procedure, the Isle of Man Tourist Trophy is a chaotic street symphony played by adrenaline junkies who treat gravity as a mere suggestion. For over a century, this historic road race has been a sacred mecca for riders who firmly believe that buffer zones are for cowards. Now, imagine taking that sheer, unfiltered British madness and handing it over to a group of obsessively precise German engineers. The result? Something so beautiful and terrifying it practically demands its own warning label. Enter the BMW M 1000 RR Limited Edition Isle of Man TT, a two-wheeled masterpiece built to commemorate the 115th edition of this gloriously unhinged race. BMW's CEO Markus Flasch claims motorsport is baked into their DNA, and frankly, we believe him, especially since a very brave German named George Meyer won their first TT back in 1939 on a supercharged contraption. Based on the absolutely bonkers top-tier M1000 RRM competition, BMW is only unleashing exactly 115 of these rolling monuments worldwide. That means this bike is significantly rarer than a perfectly sunny day in London, making it the ultimate holy grail for elite collectors and speed freaks with very deep pockets. Hidden beneath its carbon fiber skin beats a water-cooled 999cc inline four-cylinder heart that revs so high it probably speaks to local dogs. Thanks to BMW's shift cam witchcraft, this beast screams up to an eye-watering 15,100 RPM redline, casually dumping 212 horsepower and 130 Nm of torque onto the rear tire. To make sure the engine doesn't disintegrate from its own violent enthusiasm, engineers shoved in Pankel titanium connecting rods, Touring-forged pistons, and a full titanium exhaust system. Pin the throttle on a long straightaway, and the ferocious shriek from the exhaust is a romantic, sensory assault that effectively translates to "hold on for dear life." But brute force without style is just thuggery, so BMW dressed this missile in a deeply sophisticated, matte British racing green uni, because nothing says I'm going to rip the asphalt to shreds quite like an understated, gentlemanly colour. The real comedic genius of the design, however, lies in its asymmetrical fairings. The left side solely features the track's left-hand curves, while the right side is dominated by the right-hand turns, essentially turning your ridiculously expensive motorcycle into a high-speed cheat sheet. Up front, carbon fiber M winglets generate 22.6 kilograms of downforce, which is absolutely vital so your front wheel doesn't aggressively high-five the sky every time you exit a corner. Add in World Superbike M brakes that offer braille-like feedback, a satin chrome aluminum fuel tank, and a black Alcantara racing seat to keep your terrified behind firmly planted. Because BMW knows this solitary, single-seat rocket ship will likely live in climate-controlled garages rather than dodging Irish sea monsoons, they've cranked up the VIP treatment. You get an engraved limited edition number on the triple clamp to stroke your ego, an M race kit, and even a massive custom floor mat to instantly transform your mundane garage into an authentic Isle of Man pit lane.